Thanks for joining us. Valley News Live. You're looking in at the Dakota Magic Casino, I-29 exit 1 near the South Dakota border. A little bit hazy and some reduced visibility there on a quiet day wind-wise. That's good. And temperatures for many of us warm once again. First Alert Weather Day Friday. Here's what we're watching. A band of heavy snow is going to begin on the Thursday night time frame late. And then as we arrive to the morning hours, we're going to see a band of snow that develops. It looks like it will stretch heaviest where you see the deep blue shades here, where we could see that band of 4 to 8 inches of snow, and a few places could get the plus. A few places could get more than that. That's surrounded by a widespread area of 3 to 6 across eastern North Dakota. So basically from north central North Dakota, not far from Maddock and up here north of Minot, right into the southern valley here, Richland County and the Sisseton Hills. 4 to 8 for a good swath of that, surrounded by 3 to 6. There's a quick drop off as we head into central North Dakota, quick drop off as we go into northern Minnesota that we could see in our lakes counties. This does include Grand Forks, Polk County, Crookston, up to Fosston, and down south towards Fergus Falls, 2 to 4 plus inches of snow, and that's where Fargo finds itself in. But look at this, as we get into western parts of Cass County, could be quite heavy there as well. Here's the progression of the storm. It begins after the 10 o'clock hour on Thursday night, so it will have been snowing all night in the Devil's Lake Basin. We're going to rise and shine. There's going to be greasy roads with gusty winds in the northern valley. There will be morning impacts there. The snow will have just gotten started here in the southern valley. We will have impacts. It will be snowing and blowing a little bit, and that will reduce visibilities. But as far as accumulations go, not so much here by the morning hours. Temperatures still mild, but watch what happens as we go through the day. Pausing this at noon, we're still seeing snow and more widespread gusty easterly wind gusting over 40 miles per hour, and it'll be even stronger than that in the Sisseton Hills through the I-94 corridor of parts of west central Minnesota as well. Now, here's the low pressure system. You can see the winds curling around the backside of it, becoming northerly there. And where we see the dark blue shades here, that's the heavier snow in the afternoon. So it continues to pile up as we go through our drive time. And then as we head into the evening, it starts to end from north to south. But the wind is still going to be strong, particularly in our southernmost counties along and south of I-94 all the way into the evening as the cold air continues to pile in. So here's a look at right now as we focus on mild temperatures near 30 for Fargo and for Moorhead. Wind is southeasterly, only 5 miles per hour. Take a gander at the Black Hills, 59 in Rapid City right now. Baudette, 15, Bemidji, 24. Jamestown at 30. In Grand Forks, you have 21 degrees, not far from 30 here in Fargo. It's even warmer than that in southeast North Dakota, where the radar is picking up some rain out there, not far from Emmons County. Winnipeg, seeing a batch of snow. That's going to work its way into our northwest Minnesota counties between now and 10 o'clock, and then it's out of here. Temperatures steady as we go through the overnight hours. The gray you see here, that charcoal, that's some patchy fog setting up here and there, and low clouds. Starting the morning with low clouds, some patchy fog, but north winds. And those north winds won't be too strong, but they're going to bring cooler temperatures in. So watch your numbers in the morning go from the teens and 20s and fall. Falling temperatures Thursday through the day with north winds decreasing. Then late, the winds become southerly with the approach of our system that by the 10 o'clock hour will begin moving into the Devil's Lake Basin. And then the First Alert Weather Day begins on Friday, and that's when most of our impacts will be. In Fargo-Moorhead, temperatures will be falling throughout the day from those mid-20s into the teens. North winds only 10 to 15 miles per hour. No snowflakes for us, but we could see some fog. And Frankie, here getting a look on that Abercrombie area from Pam. Thanks so much for sharing that. Ready for snow with those booties on and everything. First Alert Weather Day, snow all the way into the evening hours, some winds, some impacts to travel. We'll have the latest on that. Then cold for Saturday. We're back below zero, but it's short-lived. We warm up a pinch on Sunday with breezy conditions. Can't rule out some light snow. And depending on how fast this system exits, we may get a reasonably decent day near average on your Monday for Martin Luther King Day. After that, it looks like the cold takes hold, particularly on Wednesday, where the sub-zero air all day sticks around. Stacy.
I knew it. Yesterday, I didn't want you to add Wednesday. I was like, hey, this is going to get bad,
It's going to get cold, yes.
All right. Well, we'll handle it again.
We can do this.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.